In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to a Github Readme. Whether you're sprucing up your project for potential contributors or making it more accessible and appealing to viewers, adding visuals can significantly enhance your repository's presentation. Let's dive right into how you can accomplish this smoothly. First, you'll want to start off by navigating to the GitHub website. It's the hub where all the magic happens, where you can manage your projects, collaborate on code, and much more. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in to your account. Look for the sign in button typically located at the top right corner of the page and click on it. This is your gateway to accessing your repositories, contributing to others, and personalizing your GitHub experience. After clicking on sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your username or email address followed by your password. These credentials are key to unlocking your GitHub dashboard where all your projects reside. Make sure to input the correct information to avoid any access issues. Successfully logging in will bring you to the GitHub dashboard. This space is essentially your control room where you can navigate to different repositories, see recent activity, and much more. From here, you'll want to select the repository where you wish to add the image. Repositories are the heart of any project on GitHub, serving as a storage space for your project's files and folders. Once you have selected your repository, look for the Add File button. This option allows you to include new content within your repository, be it code, documentation, or in our case, images. Clicking on Add File will then present you with the option to upload files. This is what you'll want to select to proceed with adding an image. Upon selecting Upload Files, you'll find yourself on a page where you can choose the files you want to upload from your computer. Click on Choose Your Files. To open your File Explorer, select the image you'd like to add and confirm your selection. This step is crucial as it's where you'll actually be uploading the image to your GitHub repository. After your image has been selected and uploaded, you'll be directed to a final step where you can commit changes. This action is essentially GitHub's way of saving your changes. By committing, you're officially adding the image to your repository's files. It's important to provide a brief message describing the change you're making, in this case adding an image, to keep track of your repository's evolution over time. And there you have it, the process of adding an image to your Github Readme or any part of your repository, really in a nutshell. Remember, images can make your project more engaging and easier to understand, illustrating concepts that text alone might not fully convey. It's also worth noting that GitHub's process for managing repositories and files is designed to be intuitive, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment with adding different types of content to your projects. Lastly, always keep an eye on the file size and format when uploading images. GitHub supports a variety of image formats, but optimizing your images for web use can help keep your repository loading quickly and efficiently for all users. By following these steps, you'll not only enhance the visual appeal of your GitHub repository, but also make a more compelling case for why others should take interest, contribute, or use your project. Happy coding, and may your repositories always be rich with useful content and engaging visuals.